Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new, please hit the subscribe button down below. If you are old, welcome back to the channel. So today you can see I'm in my scarf like a Muslim, but I'm really not a Muslim, guys. But today happens to be Eid al-Fitr for the Muslims, so I wanted to just do a simple makeover and I don't know, I just needed content, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned. So I'm doing my eyebrows right now, and yep. So if you haven't watched my last video, I'll put the link up here so you guys can click on it and go watch it, where I did a neon look and I did a hair review. That's my first ever review, guys. I got the hair for free and I was asked to do a review on it, so please go and check it out for me. So I'm concealing my brows, and today I'm not using a concealer, I'm using my foundation to do that, but as time goes on I'll use the concealer because it was not highlighting the eyebrows for me, so I'll go in with a concealer soon. Well, the Muslims, you guys should please enlighten me in the comments what Eid al-Fitr is about. I think that will really be helpful. But if you don't have, I'm using Drugstore makeup, and when you say Drugstore makeup, it's just makeup that is not expensive, that when you enter any shop you can easily find it. It's not like the Lancoms and the Marks, so yeah, I'm using Drugstore makeup to do this look, so let's all stay tuned. So I'm doing my eyeshadow and I'm basing it with the brownish sort of color from the Morphe palette, 25C to be exact. So I'm using this goldish eyeshadow from J-Cat Beauty. So as I was saying, if you guys haven't watched my videos, like sorry, I don't know what you guys are waiting for. I'm doing my best to put content out there for you guys, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. So like I said in the previous video, Bay is coming on the channel, so you guys should please go to my DM on IG, Glam by Cheryl, to send me any questions. We'll be doing a Q&A, so you guys can send me questions that you want to know about us or about our relationship. So yeah, just a little twist to what the channel was made for. The channel was made for makeup, but just a little twist, you guys. So I'm using my eyeliner from Colleen Balinga, I'm sure. Yay! So my eyeliner is Colleen eyeliner, water eyeliner. So now I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Professional mascara. You guys cannot see, I just realized that you guys cannot see because I have very short eyelashes, so sorry. So now I'm going under my eyes with my waterline pencil. I know some of you get cringy when we are doing this part, so I skipped it. So I'm going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte primer. If I was a Muslim, I wouldn't look nice at all. Like I wouldn't look nice at all. Oh my god. But please, if you're a Muslim, pardon me because I don't really know how to put on your scarf, but I think I did a good job right now. So if I have flouted any rules in wearing your hijab, please, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. So yeah, So I'm using Maybelline as I showed you guys, and I'm blending it with my beauty blender. Today I didn't go in with my flat brush, so I'm doing everything with the blender. As I told you, my favorite drugstore foundation is Maybelline Fit Me. Like, God, so easy to blend. So I'm highlighting my face using the using the Color Pop concealer. That's also a drugstore makeup. So I'm blending it out. Actually, I was supposed to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn because that really gives me a very neutral look. But I'm actually out of a lot of stuff in my makeup bag, guys. So I'm using the I may look a little bit whitish because that color is very bright. But I managed to blend it out well enough. So I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup. That's my go-to if you are buying foundation, if you are buying baking powder. I recommend Sacha because it's good for all skin tones. Yes, because some of them you need to buy according to your shade. And anyway, I'm a makeup artist, so I bought the neutral one, which is Sacha Buttercup. So I'm contouring my face, and I'm using the Flawless Ivy palette, but I didn't show you guys. So whenever I turn, I'm picking the products from the palette. So I'm so sorry, probably you guys, I'll be turning too much, so I really do apologize for that. Okay, so I'm dusting off the baking powder, and I'm still using the Flawless Ivy palette, the 12-in-1 palette. So I'm dusting it off, and I'm using the Real Technique brush to do that. So now you can see that I look a little bit ashy, so I'm going in with my Mario Badescu spray to set my face so I don't look so ashy. My boyfriend will say after I have applied everything and then I'm washing it away. I'm actually not washing it away. I'm setting in the powder. You get it? So that's why we set our face. So yeah, I'm going in with the blush now. So on a more serious note, if I were to be a Muslim, I don't think I would look nice, because I don't even know how to wear this. Okay, probably I would have learned how to wear it, you know. So I would say again, if you're new, please hit the subscribe button down below for me, and follow me on my Instagram page, which is Glam by Cheryl. If you are in Ghana, Accra, Kumasi, you want a makeup artist for your programs, your events, your photo shoots, please do well to contact me. So when you go to my bio on my IG, you find my contact and everything right there. I actually wanted to be done with no lashes, but I realized, go big or go home, huh? So I put on lashes off camera. So thank you guys so much for staying tuned. I know I'm worrying guys, huh? So thank you guys so much for staying tuned, and please subscribe once again, and happy Eid al-Fitr to all my Muslim friends and all my Muslim subscribers. Love you. Bye.